What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Going to go over BTC, currently sitting at 27.2, up 0.84 on the day. See market at 529 billion, 24-hour volume 6.36 billion. So I adjusted the wave count because to me it looks like leading diagonal, a bunch of 3-wave moves. So you have A, B, C into a 1, you came down, A, B, C into a 2, A, B, C into a 3, A, B, C into a 4, and potentially A, B, C into a wave 5, complete a leading diagonal, pull back, give us another opportunity to enter a trade. We're already in a Bitcoin trade, we're in an Ethereum trade, we're in a Solana trade, we're in a Matic trade. All signals are given in the Discord for 10 bucks a month. Sign up through the Patreon. So that's what I'm looking at. Maybe a little bit of pullback first or push straight up to create the wave 5. Potentially pull back a little bit, push up in the wave 5, complete a leading diagonal, pull back in a wave 2, give another opportunity for an entry to ride it up for a wave 3. As you can see right here, beautiful example, leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull back in a wave 2, boom, continuation. That's what I'm looking at for BTC. We'll check our next chart here. It's looking good. I talked about the consolidation above the 55 EMA. We're continuing to do that, allowing the 20 EMA to catch up. And once we see that bullish cross, just as we did right here, could lead to an explosive move to the upside. And especially if we can break that resistance of about 27.3K. DXY is doing what we've been anticipating. A little bit of a bounce. So I do think we'll create a lower high, fail to break this high, roll over, and see continuation down, which will lead to the continuation of the breakout for BTC. Let me remove all these squigglies. But in the meantime, the DXY may push a little bit higher, which would give the opportunity for Bitcoin to pull back just a little bit and then push up to complete that wave 5. So we'll have to see how that plays out. But what I'm looking at here is leading diagonal, wave 1, pull back, hold the pullback, continuation to the upside. That's what I think is likely. As I mentioned, we're in trades for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Matic, and we have other trades upcoming. It's 10 bucks a month. You really can't beat it. You spend $10 every single day. Also, make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for all my Canadian and US traders that are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, you get $200. Free money for trading. 10 bucks for my crypto trades. We're in trades, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Matic, daily crypto analysis, more trades to come, crypto news, remember profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex signals and analysis. Sign up through the Discord. Sign up through the Patreon. It's only 10 USD per month. You spend that every single day and you'll get a lot more value out of the Discord, in my opinion. Basic access is free. All links are down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.